By tapping it lightly, we can extract the rotor along with the rear cover. We need to remove these two bearings. To do this, we'll place a bolt on the thread at one end of the shaft to avoid damaging it when using the bearing extractor. With this tool, it's very easy to extract any type of bearing. You'll find the link in the description. We repeat the process with the other bearing. On the lathe, we'll reduce the rotor's diameter by 1 millimeter. Then we place it on the indexing plate of the milling machine to make 12 equally spaced slots around the rotor.